Marcus with Lake City Performance. We're gonna install an exhaust system onto a 24 F-350 6.7 Powerstroke high output. So we're just gonna unbolt it here. We're gonna undo all the sensors. This one has a diesel injector we're gonna undo. And then you'll know this SCR goes all the way into the downpipe, and we will remove the fender and show you that in a minute. Unbolt it, no, just remove it. The tailpipe removed. Unscrew the diesel injector. Remove the bolts and undo your connectors. There's a 23 mil wrench for the injector. If you're working by yourself, it's a good idea to support this unit. It's quite heavy. Well, more like awkward and heavy. As you're pulling it out, you don't want that to fall on your head. So once it's all unbolted, all the sensors are out of it, you can go ahead and pull the rubbers out and start. With this removed, we move and remove the inner fender on the passenger. Fender removed. We can now remove the downpipe, unbolting it here and loosening it at the top.